When it comes to ordering service parts for your Honda motor, the more information the better. Not all GX390 engines are created the same. They all can have different recoils, different flywheels, carburetors, and ignition modules, as well as internal components, depending on what it's mounted to, used for, and what manufacturer is using this engine. So, on today's video, we're going to go through the proper steps on how to find the serial number, model number, and spec number. That way, you're ordering the parts right the first time. To properly identify the engine, it not only uses the model number, but the type, spec, and serial. On the Honda GX series, it's located on the block on a flat portion directly below the oil sensor where your on-off switch typically is. On GS and GC series engines, the model and serial number information are going to be stamped onto the block behind the shrouding underneath the muffler. And as a pro tip, because this does get difficult to see, we do recommend taking your phone, taking a picture, and sending it into our text line where we can help you.